Druva's SaaS data protection solution simplifies and lowers the cost of Oracle data protection, offering efficient protection and recovery and on-demand scale wherever you run Oracle databases. Traditionally, shifting Oracle workloads to the cloud involves spiraling infrastructure costs and added complexity. Offered on a subscription model, Druva deduplicates, compresses, and encrypts Oracle backup data. When a backup occurs, it scales based on customer needs, and built-in security means only the customer has access to their backup data. Druva for Oracle offers the added advantage of global deduplication. As an example, for a customer with 8.5 terabytes of data, Druva would compress and deduplicate down to 1 terabyte. The customer then would only be responsible to pay for 1 terabyte of storage. As backup copies age, you can move them to long-term retention storage tier and further reduce costs. Customers have the option to use either PBS, the Phoenix Backup Store, a no-charge software appliance, or DTC, direct-to-cloud Oracle Backup. PBS leverages incremental merge and image copies, Oracle technology that uses incremental level 1 backups. DTC leverages RMAN backup sets with a mix of level 0 and level 1 incremental backups at chosen intervals. Let's break it down further. PBS is simple to deploy, managed centrally in the Druva platform, and controls all backups with RMAN. Druva leverages script-based backup and recovery and uses image copies and incremental merge to an NFS target. This is valuable because the scripts are customizable templates which function alone or integrate with Oracle Cloud Control or OEM. They are REST API driven and are functional with third-party or Unix schedulers. Compressed RMAN images copy snapshots to the Druva cloud, where they're protected from ransomware and other risks. Druva DTC, on the other hand, is agent-based and highly automated. It automates all RMAN backups, including archive log, control, and server-side parameter files. DBAs or backup admins set a schedule and customize to their preferences. Easy to set up, its agent simplifies backup and doesn't require a software appliance, reducing TCO. This makes it ideal for backups of instances running in the cloud, such as Amazon EC2 or any other cloud. Simplify your Oracle backup management with a secure solution offering visibility, control, and automation to meet SLAs, lower costs, and increase agility. Visit the Oracle Solutions page on the Druva website to learn more.